Welcome back. Here's what's making headlines today. Pakistan unveils its powerful Fatah-II missile system, highlighting major advancements in precision strike and deterrence. With extended range and improved accuracy, this marks a new chapter in Pakistan's growing strategic and regional defense capabilities. Pakistan's Shipyard drones are making global headlines. With advanced surveillance, targeting systems, and long endurance, these UAVs signal Pakistan's emergence as a serious player in modern drone warfare and international defense markets. The China-Pakistan air alliance sharpens as PL-15 missiles challenge India's Meteor arsenal. With longer range and radar lock capabilities, PL-15 gives a clear strategic edge in future air combat over South Asian skies. In a major defense boost, China accelerates delivery of J-35A stealth fighters to Pakistan. These fifth-generation jets will significantly upgrade Pakistan's air force and shift the balance of aerial power in the region. Pakistan's HQ-9 air defense system reportedly intercepts Indian Rafale jets during recent tensions. This interception highlights Pakistan's growing missile shield and its ability to counter advanced threats in contested airspace. Hey everyone, welcome to Pakistangeo Defence Updates. Let's get straight into the big stories. Here are today's detailed headlines. Hit that subscribe button for more updates. Pakistan's indigenous Anza man-portable air defense system is gaining interest from African and Central Asian countries. Equipped with infrared homing technology, Anza systems offer low-cost, high-mobility air defense against low-flying aircraft and drones. The latest Anza Mark III variant includes improved seeker accuracy, electronic countermeasures, and a range of up to 5 kilometers. Its battlefield flexibility and low logistical footprint make it ideal for nations with limited defense budgets but increasing aerial threats. Pakistan's expanding defense exports show growing confidence in homegrown technology for asymmetric and conventional warfare. Pakistan's cyber warfare units have reportedly enhanced their offensive capabilities, successfully disrupting segments of Indian military communications during recent exercises. Utilizing signal interception, frequency jamming, and malware intrusion, these operations targeted Indian forward posts and satellite relay networks. The units, operating under the Strategic Plans Division, integrate AI-driven reconnaissance and real-time surveillance tools. This signals Pakistan's increasing emphasis on hybrid warfare, where cyber dominance plays a crucial role in command and control disruption, intelligence gathering, and psychological operations against technologically advanced adversaries. Heavy industries. Taxila has introduced a new upgrade package for the Al-Zarrar main battle tank, enhancing its battlefield performance. The improvements include a digital fire control system, explosive reactive armor, and a 125mm smoothbore cannon compatible with APFSDS and heat rounds. The tank now supports thermal imaging sights and laser rangefinders, allowing night and all-weather operation. Its upgraded power pack delivers 730 horsepower, improving mobility and acceleration on rough terrain. These modifications position the Al-Zarrar as a cost-effective option for armored units facing evolving mechanized threats. Karachi Shipyard has launched an advanced Hangar-class submarine developed with Chinese technical support under the Pakistan Navy's modernization plan. The vessel features air-independent propulsion, AIP, reducing detection by allowing prolonged submerged operations. It is equipped with advanced sonar, torpedoes, and anti-ship cruise missiles like the Babur 3. The submarine enhances Pakistan's second strike nuclear capability and extends maritime deterrence deep into the Indian Ocean. This project highlights strong Sino-Pakistan naval cooperation and Islamabad's growing focus on undersea warfare for strategic depth and regional parity. Pakistan's A-100E multiple rocket launch system, developed with Chinese cooperation, has become a key deterrent against Indian ground incursions. Capable of firing 300mm rockets up to 120 kilometers, the system offers saturation fire over wide areas, Each launcher can fire a salvo of 10 precision-guided or cluster munitions within 60 seconds. Integrated with real-time targeting and satellite-guided navigation, the A-100E can neutralize enemy troop concentrations, artillery positions, and logistics hubs. Deployed along the Eastern Front, it gives Pakistan a rapid response, high-impact artillery edge. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights. Like this video to show your support. And don't forget to answer today's question.